Hi guys, let me show you the new feature for cloning VMs from old Plama to new Plama platform. Just to present that, let me show you one of the VMs that I have created on the old Plama. Let's just put inside some nodes for us, just to prove that we are gonna move the image of disk into the new one. So I've created a text inside of the root folder that is gonna contain some test information. Once we have it, log in into the help Plama2.cloud and choose new feature clone VM to new Plama2. First we need to make a request. You will be prompted with the form clone VM or clone volume. Choose clone VM as the first one, select domain Plama2, then choose your project that you want to copy VM from. Wait a couple of seconds because now system is checking what are the VMs inside of your project. Choose test VM. This is the one that we want to move, and select project on the new Plama2 platform. I want to move it to my folder, but to my project, but you can choose all projects that you're actually in. Please remember that one of the elements that are needed is just to turn off instance, because we don't want to mess with the disks that are in process of writing and reading from the disk, because that might affect your consistency of your disk. Once the power state is down and status is shut off, you can proceed with the task. Please carefully read all of the notes. At the last point, you can see how many VMs are currently in the queue, because we are allowing only one operation per time, just not to mess with all the systems. After sending the request, you will see that my VM is queued in for the migration. In the meantime, you can see that on your project in new Plama, there is a VM being created. This is a dummy VM, which disk will be replaced with the one that is currently here. Name is gonna stay the same, but the IP address is just gonna change. This is due to different subnets being assigned to different platforms. Now you can see that the system is transferring disk to new VM. This may take a while. It depends on how big is your disk size. Once it's done, you will see that the VM migration is completed and it's successful. What you will see in the system, you will see that on the new Plama, the VM is imported and it's in shut-off mode. So let's start it and let's take a look what's inside. Once it's starting in, we can check that on the old Plama the instance name will be renamed, and you'll see that it's underscore migrated added at the end. This is in shut-off mode, so whenever you want to make a copy of that, it doesn't disappear. But remember, once you finish all moving of your projects into new Plama, clean all of those because they are still utilizing the space. Okay, let's see the instance, the test VM that we have created and copied. Let's take a while once it's loading. And you can see that the file that we've created is there. So this was the same message that we've saved on the previous VM. That's how the cloning of the VM works. If you want to clone the volume, you can do this by clicking clone volume, and as same, just choose the project that you want to copy volume from. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please open a ticket with the help portal.